Hey everyone, so recently Loom announced this integration with Trello. So Trello is one of my favorite project management systems. And the idea is that now when you create a cards, you can create a Loom card. So basically it will be just like a Loom recording, like a card in Trello. So for example, here I just clicked on the card and then you can see that I'm redirected to the Loom recording. So yeah, that's that. So let's try it. So I can add a new card with Loom, and then I have this option I have like a screen and camera, I have screen only, camera only, I can select camera and microphone. There are some advanced options, and of course I need to have Loom for Chrome extension enabled. So I need to have that, and then I just can start recording. There is 5-minute limit left because it's a free version. And then I can just start recording. So hello, it's a Loom video. And then I can just pause or stop it. And then what happens is just Loom generates this video. And then then you can just insert the recording. You can also delete it, you can paste a link, you can share it, and there you have it, the card will be created. So that's how it works. So if it's easier for you, instead of writing, just to create this card via Loom, there you go. But also sometimes if you want to write a comment, this feature is also available in the comment. So for example, if you're working on some project and it can be complicated for you to explain via text, and it's just easier to record a quick Loom video. Again, you can just click here and to comment with the video of your camera. So just click here on the camera and again start recording as just we did. So that's the process. That's how you use Loom with Trello. So super cool new integration. I think it's still in beta, but I really like all this video stuff. So I think that can be super helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Visit my website, mrhack.io. See you around.